Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Vino. It's a heavy one, so let's get into it and check it out. Vino is a box that is sent to me free for review, and a couple of things have changed for this season, so we'll talk about that. And what I love about it is it's a lifestyle box and a wine box, all wrapped up into one. When I open this up, and I want to show you, it's upside down, but it is a box in a box, and that's because on top, your lifestyle products come in this box protected. I had to move that down on the floor to get it out. So this is our box of lifestyle products. Each season, you'll get 5 to 6 lifestyle products, and that's within this box. But with Vino, you also get wine, and that comes in the box protected like this. Like it's a really thick and awesome, you know, one of the old-fashioned egg cartons. They might still use those. Mine don't come in those, but they might still use those egg cartons. And then when we take it off, and I have always received my wine in tip-top shape. We receive 2 wines. They are South African or Californian wines, and we get 2 bottles now. It used to be when you signed up, you got a 3rd bottle free for the life of your subscription. But now, instead of doing the 3rd bottle of wine, you will receive 3 free gifts. My 2 wines are the Wicked Bliss. I guess I'm gonna need glasses here. I think it says Chardonnay. It is a really cute label art. It is a 2020 California Chardonnay. That is what it looks like. And my other is, and this is also beautiful label art. I don't think I've ever had either one of these. This is Loverly, and it is a red blend. Isn't that pretty? Perfect for spring. The box is $59.99 per season, and this box with the free gifts has a $239 value. So if you like wine and lifestyle products like I do, this is the perfect box. I love that I got a red and a white. You can also set it up so you receive the blend like I did, only whites, only reds, or sweet wines. And just to keep my streak going, I'm gonna say, I forget to ask every season to have them send me just the sweet wines because I love sweet wines and I'd really like to try theirs, but this is the nice blend. So I have a Chardonnay and a red blend. Let's get into the lifestyles now. So when we open up the box, we have, ooh, something furry on top. And let me dig for it. Our paperwork, which is also different. This used to be cards, and now it is a cute little booklet. I probably like this better. It's gonna work easier for me, and I feel like the cards were so thick, this has got to use less paper, so that's always a good thing. This is the Vino Ooh La La box, Sips and Surprises. I think that might be new. Vino, Sips and Surprises. That's fun. Sip back, relax and unwind. Sip back. Again, adorable. When we open it up, we have our products over here. These are the products that are going to be in the box. And then each page tells us a little bit about the products we received. Just for signing up this season, you will get 3 free products. And the first is the Leurzi Classic Eyeshadow Palette. And it has a $32 value. I made little notes because I was afraid these would not be in the book, and they're not. It says classic right on the end. Oh, it's plastic. They're in plastic now. Are they always in plastic? I feel like they've been in cardboard before. When we open it up, it's cruelty-free and vegan. I'm going to leave the plastic on this because I might pass that along. It is nice and neutral. As you guys know, on the channel, I get a lot of neutral palettes, but this is really pretty. That's one of your free gifts. The next is, and this is gorgeous, it is an EB and Company, and it's an open circle necklace. How pretty is that? It has a $24 value, and that's really pretty. I might like that for up here. I won't do it today because I have on these lovely earrings. These are probably my favorite earrings that I have ever received in a subscription box, and they came out of a Vino. And I love them, but I think maybe with the necklace, it might be too much. And then the other item you get for signing up is the Willow Collective Cozy Hat. That is so cute. I think I might have received this in last time's box, but you get it for signing up, so you won't have received it. But it's got the cute little ball on top, and it's kind of a cable knit on the inside. It's the softest faux fur. It is so soft. These are the 3 items you get if you order this season. They have a, let me do the math on it real quick. They have a $76 value. Jumping into the lifestyle products for this month. Ooh, I know what this is, so seeing it in this little pack is amazing. This is a Willow Collective Foldable Backpack. I mean, we all know I'm not getting it back in here, right? Fingers crossed. When we open it up, oh boy, this is what happens. Oh, it's I follow the wads. If you guys like just funny vlogs and just to be entertained, she vlogs her life. It is hilarious. It's the wads. I will try and remember to link her below. She is the best. And anytime on her YouTube or on her Insta that she shows leopard, she does the man, I feel like a woman from Shania Twain. It cracks me up every time. Is it just me? Let me know. This is a 2-strap backpack. It is, I can kind of see the light through it. So it's not gonna be, you know, you're not gonna pack for a 7-day trip in this, but to throw it in a bag in case you go somewhere and you're gonna wanna haul something away, or just as a little, I don't know, if you're traveling, there's just a million little things you could do with it. It's just on the inside. I mean, it's handy. I say this all the time, but I bet one of my girls would love this. It's got a little zipper. Oops, I zipped it. It's got a little zipper pocket on the bottom. On the front, I'm holding it upside down. Each side has a mesh pocket. And then the 2 straps. Also, a handle. Cute. The paperwork says, fill it up, fold it up. This versatile backpack is the perfect accessory to carry wine, snacks. How did I not go to a picnic right away with the wine sitting right in front of me? Wine, snacks, and other daily essentials. It features adjustable straps, 2 mesh side pockets, and a front zippered pocket. The folded dimension is 5.5 by 5 by 2.5, and open it is 14 by 12 by 5.5 deep. Hand wash, spot clean. I'm not gonna fold that back up because I'm gonna keep it for the picture for the flat lay, but I could. Next out, I see a cup, and I love a cup, so let's just get right to it. It is one of those coffee to go type cups. The top is gold, it is plastic, but it feels double walled. We'll check that out. And it says, this is probably wine. I don't know how much of this you could get in there, but I am so glad. I had a Kate Spade one of these. This looks a lot like, and I spent, I don't know, 45 minutes one day trying to get the lid off of it by lifting it up, and it simply unscrews. It is double walled, I believe. It is hand wash only. Do not microwave, so don't put your wine in the microwave. You can obviously use it for things other than wine. And the paperwork says Willow Collective Tumbler. A little sassy and a little fun. The Willow Collective, this is probably wine tumbler, says it all. Double wall insulated with an easy open top. Keep any beverage of your choice hot or cold on the go. It holds 16 ounces and is BPA free. This is super cute and will get a lot of use. Is it too late to remember I wanted to put things back there? Never too late. Next out, we have Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes, Pore Refining Witch Hazel, and they are 100% biodegradable. I don't often use these on my face, but I do love them for up here when I'm taping. I keep them for swatching, so for me, they'll be perfect for that. And these say, simplify your beauty routine with these 2-in-1 facial wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin. Formulated with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil, these towelettes deep clean pores, hydrate, and boost glow. Just the swipe of the cloth across your skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara. They're 100% biodegradable, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly. And this is a good sized packet. How many? 60 towelettes, so that will last me quite some time. And next out, we have Mouth Party Caramel. Yum. If you must know, and I must know, cream, sugar, corn syrup, butter, sea salt, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate? Oh my goodness. Milk chocolate, Old Bay seasoning, and vanilla extract. I cannot wait to get into these. I mean, wow. There's like 6 in here, but they sound delightful. The paperwork says they may not have invented caramel, but Mouth Party Caramel sure has perfected it. Slow cooked in small batches and made to order in a nut-free facility, their secret recipe is a combination of just 5 simple ingredients. It is no wonder that the 4-generation-old family recipe has stood the test of time. This assorted 5-piece box gives you a taste of all the flavors. It is a 2.5-ounce package, free from nuts, gluten, soy, high fructose, and trans fat, no added preservatives or artificial flavors. I cannot wait to try these. I will probably Insta when I try these. Speaking of which, if you guys don't follow me on Insta, I am at Kathrin McCarty. It's easy to find me, but I'm over there at Kathrin McCarty. And last but not least, ooh, bracelets, perfect, I'll put them on. We have stacking bracelets. These are Gemma Simone Tori stackable bracelet set, a classic made for mixing and matching. This black, white, and gold bracelet set features 5 neutral bracelets that make for the perfect accessory. You can wear this stack as a set or wear them individually to complete a look. Each beaded bracelet is stretchy so that it will fit almost any wrist size. Keep it casual or dress it up. Oh, cute. This is what they look like. So there's gold and black and white in there. I like the way that looks. I'm gonna leave that on because it kind of goes with the shirt I'm wearing today with the black and white. That's a nice coincidence. So that's fun. I hope I remember to put it back in when I take the picture. I probably won't. So when you see the picture over on Insta, these are probably not in it. And if they are, I think, yay, Kathrin, you remembered. That is our Ooh La La Vino. It is available now, and if you order and it is your first time ordering from them, you will receive the hat, the Leurzi shadow palette, and the open circle necklace as your gifts for signing up. And then for our lifestyle products in the box, we got the backpack, the bracelets, the julep facial wipes, the Willow collective mug, and the caramels. Yummity yum yum. And our 2 bottles of wine. I got a nice red blend and a Chardonnay. If you want all reds, all whites, all sweets, you can let them know that. Also, if you sign up for a subscription and at some point you want to skip that season coming to you, you can have it sent, like if you want to do it to your mom for Mother's Day, you can have it sent to her for that. So very versatile. So this is the Vino Sips and Surprises Ooh La La box. That is what it looks like. If you have any questions about anything that I didn't go across, let me know below. Obviously, you have to be 21 to get this box. And when FedEx delivers, you do have to sign for it. Although I will say, not this season, but last season, I was away for a couple days when I knew it was going to be delivered. So I had it delivered to a local, very close to me drop-off spot. And I went in there and picked it up, and it was super easy. I'm just saying, there are options. Let me know below what you think. Thank you so much for coming by, and I will talk to you guys really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great day, guys.